Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add friends on your Discord. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these. And without further delay, let's begin. So first of all, open your Discord app on your mobile device. And then on the bottom side of the screen, you can see 5 different options. Among them, tap the second option, which is of friends. Now you can see all of your pending requests, online and offline friends. And to add a new friend, tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of your screen. And now you'll have to type in the username and the tag of the friend you want to send a friend request to. So you'll have to copy the username and tag as it is, and you can't make any error. So here, simply type in the name of the friend you want to send the friend request to. After you've entered the name, type in hashtag and then enter their tag. After you've entered the username, hashtag and tag, simply tap on send friend request. And now a friend request will be sent to the person you want to add friend. Now once they accept your friend request, you'll be friends with them on Discord. So that is how you add a friend on Discord. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel.